Hey there, are you looking for the perfect watch for everyday wear? Here are our top 3 picks that combine style, durability, and functionality to suit your daily needs. First up is the Tissot C-Star 1000 Powermatic 80 watch. It features a ceramic bezel ring for added toughness, and the scratch-resistant sapphire crystal ensures clear visibility. Powered by the Swiss Powermatic 80 movement, it offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve and a see-through caseback. Next is the Armani Exchange Black watch. Featuring a striking grey wave-inspired textured dial, this watch is perfect for a modern look. It is water resistant up to 100 meters and features a rotating bezel, 3-hand date movement with a sleek black stainless steel bracelet. This watch is also powered by a quartz movement. Lastly, the Seiko 5 Sports Automatic watch. The black dial with Lumibrite hands and gunmetal grey stainless steel strap give it a sporty look. It features a stainless steel case and comes with 100 meters of water resistance, day-date display, and offers a 41-hour power reserve. The automatic watch has a manual winding capacity and hard Lex glass. Comment below what you want us to cover next.